In this video, I will show you how to uninstall apps on Windows 11 quickly and easily in just a few steps. To get started, from your desktop, what you want to do is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, and in here you want to type Settings. Underneath Best Match, you should see the Settings app come up. Give that a click, and that's going to open up your Windows 11 settings. Next, what you want to do is come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto Apps. Then if you look at the top, you're going to see an option for installed apps. Give that a click, and that's going to take you to a screen like this, which is going to show all your currently installed apps. From here, find the app that you want to uninstall. So what you can do is scroll through the list of installed apps. You do also have a search box at the top, which you can use to find a specific app, and you also have filters as well. So for example, you can filter by all drives, and you can sort by, for example, size large to small, showing you the apps which are using up the most space on your PC or laptop. There are some other options, for example, date installed, name, and so on and so forth. So once you've found the app that you want to uninstall, what I'm going to do is take Unity Hub as an example. What you want to do is come to the right hand side of the app, click onto the three dots which says more options, and you're going to see an option come up to uninstall. Give that a click, and then what you want to do is click onto uninstall again, and dependent on the Apple program, Windows might automatically uninstall it, or there might be a built-in uninstaller. In this case, there is a built-in uninstaller. You can see the windows popped up, so you just want to run through the steps to uninstall the app from your PC or laptop. Once it's uninstalled, as you can see, it's going to disappear from the list. And that's how to uninstall apps on Windows 11. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.